Welcome to East Neighborhood. My name is Chef Joe Murphy, and I'm one of a couple of sous chefs over here at East Neighborhood. Currently today, we're going to talk about quinoa. Just a little fun fact, it's been labeled as a superfood, which is really high on protein. So in this particular dish, it's a stuffed tomato with 3 types of quinoa. And we flavored the quinoa with carrots, celery, onions, and peppers. We're gonna cut the top off the tomato, and we're going to core it on the outside. And then I like to use whatever's left from the tomato in maybe soups or stocks. This recipe calls for stuffed tomatoes. You can stuff peppers, zucchini. You can also stuff proteins if you need to. So once we have the flesh removed from the tomato, we like to take the quinoa. The quinoa has lots of different flavors in it. There's peppadew peppers in it. So it's kind of a sweet and spicy pepper, and that enhances the flavor of the quinoa as well. Baking at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes is really gonna keep the form of your tomato and cook the quinoa and bring it up to temperature. Sometimes we like to take a dollop of goat cheese and place that on the top. Please try to make it out to East Neighborhood Acres Hall to give our grains a try.